NVIDIA beat earnings and the market rallied, but the gains on the S&P 500 subsequently disappeared. Why would investors sell on the good news? Historically, this pattern can signal potential downside. Let's take a look at the charts and see what they're telling us. All right, here's the chart of NVIDIA. We clearly have NVIDIA gapping higher and bullishly following through. Nothing wrong with this chart. Lots of room for NVIDIA to spend the rest of this week and going into next week, going for even potentially a double top retest. That's not the thing that I'm concerned about. So NVIDIA beats. Now, it was the leadership, the general within the markets over the last 2 years. Every time NVIDIA rallied, the market went with it. Here we have a different scenario. Now we have a situation where the NVIDIA rallied higher. The S&P 500 was up almost 100 S&P points. The NASDAQ was up over 1.5%. Yeah, look at this. The NASDAQ is up only 25 basis points. The S&P almost flat, completely giving back all of the gains. This is a red flag. Whenever you see that a market is given good news, but sellers sell into the good news, it is usually a sign of exhaustion, where the market is running out of upside momentum. And while this doesn't immediately open the downside window where there's a sell-off any day now, if we see that this persists over the next week where rallies are being sold into, the markets are getting very heavy, then it's just going to be looking for a reason to begin a sell cycle. Maybe it'll be next week's jobs numbers. I don't know. But right now, we're only talking about a half a day's reaction, so I don't want to overread into it. But it's certainly not a good start for the market when you have such positive news from NVIDIA that should have been taking things higher.